guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snowshoes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the MSR Lightning Ascent Snowshoe. The men's and women's MSR Lightning Ascent Snowshoe appear on almost every review site and snowshoe gear article we saw, including Best Overall Snowshoe by Switchback Travel, Number 1 Best Snowshoe by Section Hiker, Editor's Choice by Outdoor Gear Lab, and Best Snowshoe Overall by REI Journal. Despite being one of the most expensive pairs on the market, these mountain snowshoes simply couldn't be ignored. Updates to the model make this our favorite technical lifetime snowshoes, made even better with a more comfortable and intuitive binding. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Crescent Moon Eva. The Crescent Moon Eva foam snowshoe deserves all the praise we've seen it get in the outdoor space since its debut. It's a top seller on REI and was included on Outside Magazine's Best Snowshoes list. It won 7 Best of the Show Outdoor Gear Awards at Outdoor Retailer, including from Gear Junkie and Outside Magazine. See sources. At number 3, we have the Atlas HELIUM BACKCOUNTRY. Snowshoes have been around forever, but ultralight models are relatively new. We are psyched about the new HELIUM BACKCOUNTRY snowshoe line from Atlas. Atlas's foray into composite decks really delivers for super weight-conscious snow travelers, with a sub-3-pound snowshoe. Yes, that's right, mountain and backcountry snowshoes at 3 pounds. For comparison, our best snowshoe for the backcountry winner, the MSR Lightning Ascent, see full review above, weighs at its lightest 4 pounds 5 ounces. At number 2, we have the Chinook Trekker. The Chinook Trekker snowshoe shows up on several best of and expert lists because of their budget price. They're affordable snowshoes and are often available at Costco, in addition to Amazon. However, customer reviews reported they aren't durable. Although they purport to be suitable for trails, many users complained their best use is for family fun, not hiking. And finally, at number 1, we have the MSR Evo Ascent. The MSR Evo Ascent are great snowshoes to get into off-trail and more variable backcountry terrain. They fall squarely between the MSR Evo Trail, which won our Best Overall Snowshoe Award, see our full review above, and our upgrade pick and choice for Best Backcountry Snowshoe, the MSR Lightning Ascent, see our full review above.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.